Hello people, posting a video after a long time. Been busy traveling for work, getting stuff done on my vehicles, attending to work and practically staying sane. Yeah, it's a tough task. All the techies out there would understand. Anyways, I'm here for an update. I just got Aisin hub lockers fitted on my Gypsy. Let's see what difference they make. On papers, they disconnect the wheel from the front axle to allow them to rotate freely when not off-roading. The main advantage is an increased fuel efficiency. My mechanic claims a 2 kilometers increase in the mileage, but that needs to be tested separately. Another advantage is a lighter steering wheel, which is what I'm looking at. Trust me, driving an SUV with no power steering kills your desire to go to a gym, especially for a shoulder workout. Alright, what I got fitted on my Gypsy are original and unused Aisin hub lockers. They come standard on the Gypsy before the Gypsy King was introduced. A lot of customers didn't use the feature, so Suzuki had discontinued it. It's very rare to get Aisin original and unused in India, but I'm lucky that way. Right to the fitting process now, and it's a straightforward process with no technicalities involved. Let's get on with this. This is how it works. When it is free, when it is unlocked, the wheels move freely without the independent of the differential. When it is locked, the wheels are locked with the differential. So that's how they operate after the fitting. And as they say in the IT industry, we'll get back to you with the results.